All right. Good afternoon. This is Jessica for Wednesday's 12 o'clock group talk. That'll be Wednesday, January 30th, almost the end of the month. Today we try to imagine the future, what will happen in 10 years, what will change, or what will stay the same, what won't change. In today's group talk words, one is the idea of proof against something. For example, to be waterproof, earthquake-proof, fire-proof. That means you are protected against something. So if something is waterproof, water cannot hurt it. So a lot of times an expensive watch will be waterproof. So even if you drop it in the ocean, the water can't hurt it. It will continue to run fine. It won't break. So earthquake-proof building means it's specially designed so that an earthquake will not break the building. Fireproof clothing means fire can't burn, can't break clothing. Another word we had was friction. Now, friction is the interaction between two things. If you have, for example, two very smooth things and you make this movement, this is not friction. Very smooth, easy, no problem. If you have two rough things and you rub them together, you have to work harder, there's more friction. Now, when you're talking about people, if you have friction, that means your relationship is not smooth and easy. Your relationship is a little rough. There's a lot of little annoying things or a little problems. So your personalities, for example, are kind of different. So every day is a little difficult. So if you have friction between your coworkers, means you don't hate your coworkers, but you don't get along perfectly with them. There's some differences. Countries can also have friction. Japan and China have a lot of friction. That means the governments just don't get along perfectly. There's a lot of little problems. And our last word is something very different, palm reading. Now, palm reading is a kind of fortune telling, so talking about the future, talking about your personality. So, of course, this is a hand. The palm is the middle part of your hand. So palm reading is looking at the lines on your palm and reading it to get information about yourself or about your future. So it was a very interesting group talk. We learned a lot. We had no friction. Everyone was very nice. So please join us again for our next group talk. See you then. Have a good day.